The UV Care Dry Pure Dehumidifier and Air Cleaner works well in removing excessive moisture caused by high humidity levels in your home. This helps to create a more comfortable indoor environment by reducing the amount of dampness in the air. Before we start, here are a few reminders. Keep in mind that the product operates at temperatures from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. Avoid using the product outside this temperature range, for water may freeze inside the product, or the product may overheat. Also, the product may slightly increase the room temperature. It is recommended to wait for 24 hours after unboxing your unit and deciding on its placement before plugging it in and using the unit. Letting the compressor oils settle before turning on the unit is crucial to avoid performance issues. Let's start dehumidifying. Plug in the unit to a 220-volt power outlet to start. Press standby to turn on the unit. Next, set your desired mode. This unit has 3 modes. First, there's auto. In this setting, the auto light indicator will be turned on. Once the room reaches the desired humidity level, the dehumidifier will automatically cycle on and off to maintain the level. Both the fan speed and the humidity percentage can be adjusted under this mode. Continuous dry. The dehumidifier will continuously operate, even if the desired humidity level has been reached. The fan speed and humidity percentage cannot be adjusted under this mode. Sleep. In this setting, all the control panel lights will be turned off and the fan speed will automatically be set to low. The fan speed and humidity percentage cannot be adjusted under this mode. Humi set. The display will show the current humidity level between the range of 30% to 80%. Press the up and down arrows to adjust your desired humidity level in increments of 5%. Fan speed. Press the fan speed button to select either a high or low speed. Setting the timer. The timer function allows you to set the product to automatically shut off after a fixed amount of time. You can set it from 1 to 12 hours. Lock. Long press the lock button for 5 seconds to activate or inactivate this setting. When the lock button is activated, all other buttons will not work. Turning off the unit. Press standby to turn off the unit. The control panel will turn off, and the compressor will stop working immediately. The fan will shut down after a 30-second delay. Do not unplug the unit until the fan has completely shut down. Now, you can effectively use your UV Care Dry Pure Dehumidifier and Air Cleaner to reduce humidity and improve air quality in your home.